Okay, so here is Unit 5, Chapter 6, Lesson 8, Geology, the Changing Earth. I really love this lesson because it's all about the rock cycle. So first here you have your vocabulary words. So go through those. Then we've got Chapter 6 read aloud. Please make sure that you are reading aloud. No, you are reading along in your text while it is reading aloud to you. I want you to make sure to be doing that. Then there will be this video. And what I really think the best way to do it is to have your two windows open and have the video on one side and the questions on the other. And then you can play the video and then stop and answer some questions. And then play the video again, pause, answer some questions. See how that works for you. So let's go through the questions together. Number 1, what is not a way people use rocks? Look at these. Oh my goodness. And tell me what is not a way people use rocks. Then, number 2, blank are naturally occurring materials made of solid, non-living substances called minerals. Okay, you could get that from your vocabulary. Rocks with larger mineral grains have a blank texture. Go back to your text. The ones with the larger mineral grains, what kind of a texture did that have? Give 2 ways rocks can differ from each other. There are lots of ways, so just give me 2 different ways. Number 5, rocks form when magma cools and solidifies. So which rocks? Igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic? Which ones form when magma cools and solidifies? And then here I talked about this, obsidian being a prized material for ancient tool makers when I showed obsidian in the vocabulary video. So why was it a prized material? Number 7, what kind of rock forms over time in layers? Remember how many rocks we had with layers? And then, what kind of rock forms when rocks are exposed to extreme heat and pressure? All of that is in your reader. Go back. Look for it. Find it. Don't guess. If you don't know, I hope you remember from when we did this in science. But if you don't, just go back and check. Tectonic plates are important in rock formation. I did not know that tectonic plates really had anything to do with rock formation until I read that. Number 10, metamorphic rocks are made before igneous and sedimentary rocks. Is that true or false? 11, what is an ongoing process in which rocks are created, destroyed, and recreated? Now here you're going to choose the correct vocabulary word. So, 12, any process or force that moves sediments to new locations. You should know that from our science. 13, the building blocks of rocks that consist of non-living substances. Then here you're going to use this passage about the volcano called Tambora. You're going to read that together and you're going to take notes. So this would be a good one to have two screens. So you can have this on one side and your questions on the other. You need to find out the volcano location, the last eruption date, the description of the last eruption, and then other facts about the volcano. Like the description, you know, might have a couple different descriptions and then some other facts. Please make sure you're working together. That's so important that you're working together and collaborating, teamwork. All right?